Hello again. All good welcomes start in the fish and chip shop. Sauce and battling chips. Oh, these chips are gorgeous. Storey fish bar, Whitchurch in Cardiff. Probably the best chip shop in Cardiff, Wales, United Kingdom and the world. What do you reckon? Yeah, great. Best chips ever. Back in the Brecon Beacons for a change, this time we're in the Storey Arms. There's the Storey Arms Centre. We're parked across the road in the car park. And there's the map of the start of the walk. We're here. The main route everyone normally takes is up that direction. Van. We're taking this route to the left of Storey Arms up towards Cardiff, and then we're going to branch left past the Tommy Jones obelisk and then down to Llyn Cwm Llwch. That's the first ever wild camp we did when we first started the channel, so we're going that direction. Yeah, so further to what Simon was saying earlier, we're heading up to Llyn Cwm Llwch, and the first time we went there we parked up on the Llyn Cwm Llwch car park, which is on the other side of the lake. It's more of a farmer's field really, but you're allowed to park there. But this time we thought we'd come from the A470 side, Storey Arms down there. I haven't been up this way for a long time, and to be honest with you I can't remember how long it takes, but we're going to make our way up now, a nice leisurely pace, and we'll see you up there. Right, we've been walking about 25 minutes. I just checked on my Garmin watch to see how high we are, and we're at 2,191 feet already, and that's in like 20 minutes. Pen y Fan is 2,907 feet high, so it just goes to show, like, you're at a certain height anyway before you start to walk up, and compared to most of the mountains I've done in Snowdonia, it's a walk in a park. Really is, but enjoyable all the same. Yeah, there's Cardiff, And it's nice to see it from a different angle for a change. Everyone normally walks up from, I don't know if you can see, there's a path over there that goes up from Pont y Daff car park. So that's the route most of the people take. It's madness, like up over there, you think you're going up and you come through like a kissing gate, and look at that, you got to go all the way down and all the way back up again. So this will be fun. Let's go. If people watch this video and they've never been to the Brecon Beacons before, the paths are pretty easy, to be honest. They're pretty, they're quite level, as you can see. They're constantly re-stoned due to erosion, and it's well known up on Penavan, the issue with erosion, and that's why they're constantly keeping these paths topped up with gravel. It's nice to come back to the Beacons because, like I said, it's pretty easy walking. Most people can do it if you ever want to get out and about and go for a hike. This is your place. It's brilliant up here. But compared to Snowdonia, the walks are relatively easy because Snowdonia, nearly every hike I've been on has been a bit of a challenge, and it's pretty rocky as well compared to this. So yeah, if you want a nice walk up to a nice couple of mountains, this is the place to be. It's brilliant. Just stopped off for a breather and a sip of water, and if I pan the camera around, you can see the corn D's in the clouds now. But if I look over to the west, it's quite bright. God, it's always cold when we get near the clouds. Bloody hell. My hands are freezing, but I might have tended to put a jacket on, but I know what'll happen. I'll put my coat on and start walking. I'm going to be bloody too hot then, so maybe sort of brought a fleece or something up here. Just made it to the top. If you look down there, there's Llyn Cwm Llwch, and that's where we're heading. Gonna follow that path all the way around and down to the lake, and that's hopefully where we're going to pitch up tonight. Corndy and Penavan in the clouds then, and then we just got to the Tommy Jones obelisk. Just dropped down now. We got to the Tommy Jones Memorial Obelisk, and this 5-year-old kid, he went missing on the night of August the 4th in 1900, until he found him on September the 2nd, and apparently he disappeared from Cwm Llwch farm, which is down there somewhere, and he was walking these mountains on his own until he found him on this spot. It's quite sad really, you know, thinking this kid's walking around on his own. He must have been terrified. Yeah, it's a very sad story, that is. And that's the memorial. We're making our way down the lake, down this path, and looking down, there's already 2 tents over there. There's a couple of people hanging around by there, probably waiting to pitch up. Plus we've seen another 3 guys, they're walking down, they're camping as well. So we're not going to be alone down there tonight, which is a shame. But it is a popular spot, this one, because it is a cracking location. And like we said before, we've camped here before on our first ever Twin Peaks wild camping video 2.5 years ago. We're getting closer to the lake now, folks. And there is people here, as I mentioned earlier. And the fun part now is trying to find a level-ish pitch to put the tent on. Some grass down there looks pretty good. I'll give that a look now. You can never tell until you get right down there, see? Right, so we found our pitch. It's quite populated around here. We got people arriving here. Basically we got to make do with what we got, so I'm thinking right here. It's not perfectly flat, is it? That's size, have a tent going that way. But I've seen worse, and we've camped on worse, so I think we'd be alright. And there's more people coming down. And there's more people coming down. I don't know if it's just walkers or campers or what. Probably can't see them. I mean, they're definitely up there and they're coming down. Right then, we were over there, by there somewhere, and there was a young couple over here. They've moved on, so me and Simon have claimed our camping spot back. First one we ever did on our first video, and we're back in the same place, so that's pretty cool. The tent is pitched. And it's the Obelisk 2 Light Fjallraven. Beautiful tent, Fjallraven. Quite expensive. Nice and lightweight, good quality. But you know, Damien, they won't have it. They're not going to the Hillebergs are the best. But let's face it, fellas, if you're watching, that is, it's not as nice as that, is it? What do you reckon, Mark? I reckon Fjallraven are the best, I do. Yeah, of course they are, aren't they? Yeah, gotta be. So Damien, you know it makes sense. You let me know in the comments. I'll be expecting you. I've heard of a few people getting bitten by ticks lately, so after they've been camping or whatever, so yeah, what you want to do is tuck your trousers inside your socks, because like they like climbing up your leg and then they'll attach themselves to any part of your body, and you've got to be careful of ticks because they do carry Lyme disease. So I'm not taking no chances on this one, that's for sure. Tonight on the menu we got 2 beef rump steaks, some Idahoan cheddar cheese mash, got a couple of cans of the high wire grapefruit. So Mark's on the Herefordshire Firewater. Just for the change, like. No surprises there. I think he's basting and stuff. So Mark is going to do the steak in there, and I'm going to do the mash in my pot. So we are cooking this and we bring you back. And let's hope Mark don't chop his fingers off doing this. I don't know. Should be quite tasty, this for the camp meal. Should be pretty good, like, so
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. And it's gone really dark here now, and well, can't do anything. I'm looking forward to this, man, dude.
Yeah. Starving now.
It's rather a hard weekend work. It's just nice to go away for a night and then just do what we like doing, you know, and got a bit of peace and quiet in the mountains, like.
Awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, love it.
Can't beat this. Can't beat it.
Just want to crack up one of these now. It's 5.5% alcohol, so we'll give it a go. So I'll just open this high wire grape fruit pale ale. I'll tell you what, I've got to say, it's gorgeous. You can actually taste the grapefruit in this. It's really grapefruit. It's really nice, honestly. If you ever see this in a supermarket and you're into these type of drinks, I'll tell you what, I buy them. I think I bought 4 cans in a little box. It cost me $5.50. Bargain. I'll tell you what, it's really nice. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Really nice. Give it a go.
Check them out, folks. 2 rump steaks. I wish you could smell this. Hang on, the camera's misting up again. Have a look at that. And I'm using my £1.74 windshield again tonight. The one I bought from AliExpress. Absolute bargain. Cheapest chips, that is.
There we have it. Steak, cheddar, mashed potatoes.
Nice steak, that is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Tender, is it?
Yeah, lovely.
Just goes to show you can eat tidy foods when you're camping. And that mashed potato was brilliant. It's only £1.50 for the sachet, and yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's been a cool night, hasn't it, Mac?
Yeah, cracking night, yeah. Awesome.
Place we've always wanted to come back to since our channel started 2.5 years ago. I'm sure we said this before, haven't we, earlier?
Probably, yeah, say it again.
But it's a pretty special place to us. We really enjoyed the first ever camp here, and we've always been meaning to come back. So
yeah,
we thought it was the right time. But yeah, it's a wicked place, and we'd like to get our camp spot back. So no, it's been good. Hopefully we'll come back in the winter, maybe do a snow camp or something. So we've had some good food. Watch a few YouTube videos, and this coast jump heading because it's stuck under my neck. But yeah, I think we just enjoy the peace and quiet and then just go to bed. Anyway, see you in the morning, guys.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the camp. Me and Simon just got up now. It's around 7 o'clock, and no lovely sunrise this morning, unfortunately. But that's wild camping for you. We can't control the weather. And if I pan round, there's Penavon over there, Corn Deeg, and it looks like the mist is clearing a little bit, which is good. If you look across the lake, you've got the other campers over there. They're all awake now. Our neighbours. So we're going to have the cup of coffee now and start packing up, I suppose.
Jet boils on the ready.
Yeah.
Jet boils on the ready.
Yeah, really enjoyed this one.
Got back to our roots.
Can't beat that location though, can you? Have a look. Look at that, folks. Coffee with a view. while I'm showing you this, have a look at this piece of kit I've come up with. I've got this little mini chopping board, but it's not a real chopping board. What it is, me and Karen went to a pub in Vector on Friday night, and they brought the bill out on this thing. So Karen sort of borrowed it for a bit. Well, on a long-term basis, and I've personalised it with a Twin Peaks sticker, and I'm going to use that as a little chopping board. And it was Karen's idea, so yeah, she does have good ideas sometimes. So what do you reckon on that? I thought it was pretty cool. Cheers, Karen. Just having a coffee now, me and Simon. Take a look at this. This is what gives the proper wild campers a bad name. Look, they've used that as a fireplace. Embers everywhere which they haven't picked up. Scorched all the stone.
Not acceptable,
It's not acceptable, it's wrong, it is. And that is why we're all getting tarred with the same brush, unfortunately. Because of a mindless few idiots who spoil it for everyone.
Mark's mate's back. He loves a sheep, old Marco. Come on, boyo.
I'd love him on a plate.
I mean, girl.
Come on, let's be having you. Get it? Let's be having you.
Shut up. Oh, they're lovely creatures, aren't they?
Just me and the sheep, just the way I like it.
Don't overdo it, though.
There's always one inquisitive one in the flock. See that? It's coming up now. There's always one.
He's probably fed up eating grass, he wants some food.
Probably, yeah.
She, sorry, wants some food.
Wait! Who are you looking at?
But he's thinking, are they twins?
Yeah.
I mean, is she thinking, are they twins? She's looking at you, looking at me. Right, that's another adventure over. You know the drill by now, guys. Leave no trace. That's where the tent was, behind Mark. So until the next one, bye for now.